In this video, we are cleaning up the craft room once again. And here we go. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. And today is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And it's hosted by our wonderful Sunday Dawn, and her channel is The Helpful Home. And this is a collaboration, and we all get together and do tiny tidies, our mighty tidies in our homes, and we share them with each other through YouTube. And Sunday Dawn coordinates all this and gives us a playlist, which will be in my comments below. So this video I've been working on for a few days, and it is of my craft room. And my craft room is always either a bit of a mess or a huge mess. Well, I'm back in my craft room. I've done a few projects in here since the last time I was cleaning up, so made another mess, but that's okay. Today, I think I'm going to get her done. If not, I'll finish it up tomorrow. But I'm just taking my time and getting it ready for when my daughter and son-in-law come to stay. This is where they sleep, so I gotta have it ready. So anyhow, at this time, I'd like to invite you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And I'd like to thank my subscribers who watch. Give me a thumbs up and like. That's thumbs up is like. Oh dear. Anyhow, I really appreciate everyone who watch my videos. So let's just get busy on this craft room, see what we can get done today. Here I'm scraping all the glue from my glue gun off my table, and I'm trying to get up any of the paint that I've spilled on my table. It's a good surface because it does clean up quite well. So that's what I'm doing right here. And I'd like to invite you again to please subscribe if you haven't subscribed and you like my content. Okay, back to work, Sharon.
Wait and see what happens.
Bon appetit. Please watch everyone who does Tiny Tidies. And here we go. Well, this is quite a few days later. We found out that our kids couldn't come for Thanksgiving, but it's okay. Everybody just stayed home and rested, which was a good thing. So now I've got my craft room cluttered up again because I'm working on projects as always. And hopefully this time we'll get her done.
But I'm always working on projects, so it's not going to be perfect. But we'll get that last box done. Here, anyhow, sit back and relax. Well, I got that corner cleaned up and put away. And I always have stuff on my desk because I'm working on several projects. going to be working on 3 fairy gardens. And I have a picture frame that I want to do something with for my living room. So I'm just going to leave my desk like this. I'll put this basket away because I'm not using it. But the rest of the stuff on my work table can stay there because I'm just going to be using it. But I think my craft room looks better. I got a half a bag of garbage, so that's a good thing. So anyhow, I'll give you a scan of my craft room and show you what I did once I get this garbage out of the room. Okay, let's turn it. Helps if you turn the camera on. Okay, so I'm going to start over here. I used to have my desk in front of the window, and I put some shelves there now. And I put my desk in front of this wall, and I didn't have anywhere to store my paintings, and I was being quite concerned about them getting wrecked, moving them around all the time. So my daughter said, "Mom, hang them on the wall." So I hung them all on the wall, and I'm enjoying them there. And I like my desk over here. I don't have the light from the window shining on me. And I can also see down the hallway, which is nice. And this shelf here, I cleaned it all off. I put all my pottery in that big basket that I got at the thrift store for $4. And I put a bunch of my little knickknacks that I use on my 2-tiered shelf here. I've got a Sink Buddy here that I'm going to gift to a friend. And I have some more knickknacks. And this is my shelf with some of my little treasures on it. I have some bowls with feet and a few teacups with feet, and I love them. And there's my plate I got at the garage sale. So, some of the cups I got for a good price. One was a steal, and one I paid probably what I should have paid for the other 2. But anyhow, I got them and I'm very pleased. Okay, I still have these cupboards here, and I added a little shelf here, and I Have this cupboard over here. And someone suggested in one of my videos a long time ago that I should move that stuff. I used to have it between those two, and when you walked in the room you could see the mess. Well, I finally moved it, and it looks much better over here. Thank you for the suggestion. And it works good. I hung my wreaths up so that I know where they are and they're not getting wrecked. And if I want to make a wreath, I just have to go to the wall. I have a couple more little wreaths I need to add to that wall, which I will eventually. And I've got my ribbons out where I can see them. That's my ribbon box with the crow on it. And I just love my crow. Thanks to Mama Brooke. When she decorates for Halloween, she uses crows, and I think it's wonderful. And her channel is Mama Brooke. She's lots of fun to watch, lots of thrifting. And I have my memory board here that I just stuck some stuff on. And I've got my flowers here, so they're easy access for my fairy gardens. And like I said, my desk is set up because I'm working on fairy gardens. I also have this cupboard over here, which houses different supplies. And of course my big cupboard there, which has all kinds of stuff in it too. So this room seems to work pretty good. And like I said, sometimes it becomes a disaster. And sometimes it's just a bit of a mess because it's a working craft room. And when I work, I don't put things back where they should go. I just put them on the floor, clean up afterwards. But I think my craft room looks much better now than when I started. And I got some things organized and put away. So now I get to sit down and edit this video. And I can get it up for tomorrow for Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I'd like to thank you for watching. I'd like to welcome all my subscribers. Somebody walking by, so I had to look out the window. Bad as the puppies. Anyhow, we'll talk to you in the next video, and the next video will be Fairy Garden Thursday with Grandma Sandy. So we'll see you then. Bye.